Sup, I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have some Nimbus 9 Galaxy S10 Plus cases in front of me. I have the car mount, 2 Curious 2 pink, purple, red, and black cases, and 1 Phantom 2 case from Nimbus 9. I want to say thank you for sending these cases out for me. And I also have 2 of them for my iPhone XR, but I'll get to that video a little later. But this is the car mount they want people to test out and try. And they asked me would I be willing to review the car mount and that they'll throw in some cases also. And I was like, yes. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to do the cases, and then we're going to open up the car mount. So we're going to leave the car mount right there. First, let's open up the Phantom 2. As you can see, this wristband is for Heroes for Heart. Every case purchased, the money will be donated to Heroes for Heart. That's dope. I like that. So if you buy a case, you are donating money, Heroes for Heart. So now here we go. We're opening the Phantom 2. This is the blue color. As you can see, it's the back of the box. It says Nimbus 9 logo, military standard, USA. And I love their packaging. The way, because I have a pink one that I just like this for my Galaxy S10 Plus. But here's the blue version. So you just slide it open like so. That's very nice. The unboxing is very nice of the package. The packaging is very nice. We're going to set that aside. And we're going to pull out your case like so. And your limited lifetime warranty is in the inside. That's always good to see and have. And you are greeted with the lovely case. This is a blue clear case. But as you can see on the box, it looks like it's just a blue dark case, not a clear case. Which is dope because with the different colors of the S10 Plus, it'll shine through. All depends on which one you have. Definitely if you had this in clear. So you get the nice cutout for your camera. You get the side buttons, which are like aluminum. And the power button is aluminum. You have all those nice ports there. I'm going to pick up my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Throw that bad boy in like so. Boom. It's looking nice. Buttons are clicky, responsive. No problem. Turn it around to the back. Boom. Look at that. That looks nice. I have the Prisma Blue S10 Plus. And as you can see, that's a nice little feel for this case. It's grippy. To me, it feels grippy. It has a hexagon pattern on the back. It has some lip action. Not too much, but enough. Get your screen protector and you're good. And then the next thing that's always great is, boom, it does wirelessly charge. So that's dope. This is real nice. This is the Phantom 2 by Nimbus 9. We're going to put this case aside, and now we're going to check out the Curious 2. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but the Curious 2 by Nimbus 9. Same kind of little unboxing and deal. It says for the S10 Plus, designed for S10 Plus. This case right here works with the mount, the car mount. This case does not. This case has some kind of metal piece already in the back that will immediately attach to the car mount, and I'll show you that in a minute. Let's see. The Cruise 2. They're calling this case rose gold, which it kind of looks like a pinkish purple, but like you, oh man, look at that. Now that's nice. On the box, it looks like it's pink, but this is really a rose gold looking color. Oh, that's nice. And it's telling you that it's able to be used with the car mount. So we're going to pull this card out of here like so. And there you can see, boom, Cruise 2 logo. This is that metal piece for the car mount, I believe. This is a hard case. I thought this would be like soft, but it's hard on the back. Hard shell with like a rubber shell in the inside. But this is, yeah, this is a two-piece case, basically. You get that chrome power volume up and down, chrome Bixby button, that chrome silver power button. You get all your cutouts and ports. You get the back deep cutout, and you get the Nimbus 9 logo. So we're going to pick up my S10 Plus, put it in the case like so. This one is a little tougher to get in there because it's deeper. Okay, I'm liking the way it feels. The buttons are clicky and everything. Get that deep color cutout. I don't know that I don't know. This color with my S10 Plus, this is not really matching it well because it's blue. My S10 Plus is blue and this is rose gold. But now if you have the flamingo pink, this might work good with it. But hey, if things are free, you can't really complain. This is nice. I will have to use this case. Nice feel. Now for the test. Even though we already know these cases are wirelessly charged capability. Well, they already have wireless charge capability. I would still like to show you. Boom. That says your phone is now charging. So nice. This is really nice. Good job, Nimbus 9. Good job. I'm liking your cases so far. So far, so good. We're going to put this one aside. Now we're going to go to this red one. Let's see the actual name of the color on the back. This is called the Cruise Case Prism. So this is a Prism red. Not prism, sounds like prism, but prism. Prism red. So if you dig in red, you'll love this. I'm really not a red fan, but hey, free case. I'll rock red for a while. This looks nice. Looks like a cherry red to me. So we're going to put the phone in like so. Boom. That nice color, that nice lip. And on this case, you just get the black buttons, which are very clicky. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's nice and clicky. The back feels nice. Got that Nimbus 9 logo on the back. These are some nice quality cases from Nimbus 9. And boom, it charges just like that. So that's that with the cases. So now we're going to open up the car mount. It says a lifetime warranty, which is dope. Car mount kit. So we're just going to rip it open like so. Put all of this junk aside. Get your things out that you might need. Now this here is for cases that don't have that clip on there. But say you want to still, have your phone on a case and you still want to mount it to your car. Boom, just like that. You can see that is a sturdy magnet in the back of this. You would just place it inside of your phone case. You could tear this off, but I probably wouldn't tear it off if I was using it, because you can put this in so many different kind of cases. So if you just put it on there, boom, and then slide your phone in there. It's good to go. So I'm glad they threw this in, so you don't have to go searching for this for other cases. So that's a nice touch, Nimbus 9. But like I said, these are really for the Cruise 2 cases. Boom. That magnet is very strong. Pops on just like that. So you would hook this up to your air conditioner, and your phone will be mounted just like that. I will have to go out into a car on another day and review it in a car. But right now I was just showing you what it would be able to do. And it'll just sit in your air conditioner holes just like that. It's very sturdy. Now the magnet is only in here. You can't do it up top, just right in there at the bottom, which is good, as you can see, just like that. But now if you don't want to use it like that, then if you want to stick this to your mirror on the car, you would be able to detach this like this, and then you would be able to stick this ball in here like so. And then you would have to then you'd have to detach this back around the ball to tighten it up, and then it'll be able to sit on your mirror like so. But I would rather use it with the air condition mount, because you don't have to worry about putting that sticky stuff on your mirror. And then once you put this on your mirror and it's on there for a while, it's going to be hard for you to take this off. It's going to leave a nasty mess. So this is the Nimbus 9 car kit. And like I said, I just want to thank you, Nimbus 9, for sending me out this car kit and the car mount kit and the cases. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.